guys, this is Patrick Trahan. I want to present another video on how to install your DNA filters. Today I'm going to talk to you about my CRF 250L rally bike specifically, but we're going to also talk about general instruction because we can't have all the bikes here. So first of all, when you buy, this is on the CRF 250 Rally and 250L filters. So when you receive your box, here's what's in it. First of all, you have your filters, of course, that is pre-oiled by DNA. Second, you have your washing instruction. That's very important. We talked about that on another video that you can wash. You also have your stickers. Don't forget to put them on your bike. You have some instruction. In this case, we have greasing the filters and everything. And some other boxes, you might have some more detailed instruction. For example, on this one, I have a YZ450F. You see it's a lot more detailed. So depending on which filter you're going to use, you will have the instruction in there. You also have the warranty, because DNA filters are all warranty. But don't forget to send your application, your registration, I should say. Registration is either done online or you could fill this out and send it by mail. So this is your instruction. And in this case, for the CRF 250L, you have your grease, very important. Okay, now it's time to install your DNA air filters. In my case, on my CRF 250L Rally or 250L, it's an off-road application. So when you do off-road, it's very important that your filters stick to your airbox. So for this reason, you need to apply the grease. It's very, very important. Do not forget, because your filter won't be sealed enough. The grease will allow you also to install it better. It will contour better the air filters, and also it will seal very, very well for this dusty days and dirt and all you can find in the off-road condition. So in this case, this is the CRF 250L Rally filters. You have the frame, and I'm going to show you where to put the grease. You have the seal around the filters here. On the other side, you see it's not there. So it's very important that you put the grease on the seal itself. So you put it a little bit on your finger and you just go around the seal like this. Don't put too much, put it evenly, because if you put too much, it will go on the filter and you don't want that. So it's very, very important that you go all around the filters. And when is that, you follow on the manufacturer instruction on the service manual to install it on your box. Okay, now that we apply the grease on our DNA filter, we're ready to install it into the airbox. In this particular case, on my CRF 250L or 250 Rally, it comes with a frame. So it's very important that you install the frame before on your air filters, not into the grease part, but on the other part in this case. So both are now together, and all we have to do is slip them into the airbox and clip it. Clip one and clip two, and you're ready to go. Okay, we continue on the installation of your DNA air filters. This one comes from a Kawasaki ZX14. As you can see, the box is a lot bigger than my CRF 250. Inside your box, you have your pre-oil air filter, as you can see, bigger. And again, you have the same thing, DNA stickers. Don't forget to apply them on your bikes. You have the warranty. You have to fill out online or send it by mail. You have your cleaning instruction, your instruction for the filters, and the grease. I know the ZX14 is not off-road application, of course, but it's very important that you put the grease on your filters to allow to seal it better and to install it better. So why did I take this example? It's because it's a little particular. On these filters, you have an upside and a downside. And it's written right on the filter itself. So if I open the filter like this, you see you have our seal like this on this side, and then on the other side you have all the information, made in Greece, you have the information, DNA and everything. If you look at the other side, it says bottom side. Okay, when we talk about bottom side, is this way. If the bike is up, it has to go this way. On this particular one, it's very important. You have a notch here to be able to remove the filter to clean it. Okay, if, for example, you would put it on the other side and you would force it, it might go in, but then it's all wrong because your seal is at the wrong place and you won't be able to remove it. So it's very important that you look to this special instruction right on the filter where it says bottom side. So you put it the right way. The grease we applied the same way as we did with the CRF 250 Rally. You apply the grease, you install the filters, and it clips there. So that's how you apply your filter for the ZX14. Okay, we continue on our installation of the DNA filters. I have here a third example. It is from a Yamaha X-Max 300. It's brand new, we just finished the development, and I'm going to show you when you receive it. As you can see, it's fairly big. We have our air filters, as usual, pre-oil from DNA. And in the box itself, you will find your cleaning instruction. You will also find your warranty card. Don't forget to fill it up and send it online or by mail. You will find your stickers. Don't forget to put it on your scooters. And that's it. Nothing else. No oil, no instruction. You just install it as your Yamaha service manual. Same as you would do with any other filters. Very simple. Okay, for this fourth example, I decided to use a DNA universal clamp-on filters. You could use this on many applications. Racing, tuning, car of course, motorcycle, jet ski, all kinds. So in your DNA clamp-on filter box, you will have your clamp-on filters, already pre-oiled by DNA. And as usual, you will receive your warranty card that you have to fill out. You will receive your stickers, the cleaning instructions, very important, and the clamp, very important on this clamp-on filters. To install a DNA universal clamp-on filters, it is very important that you order the right size. This one in my example is 18 millimeters. You can go up to 1 millimeter plus or minus, but don't go further because you're going to damage your filters. You're not going to have the right filtering properties. So this one is 18 millimeters. Let's take this example as your intake, for example. So you have to put it in properly. It clips on into your intakes. You have to put your clamp, put it inside, and then you have to tighten it. You have to tighten it until it's difficult to move with your finger, like so. When it's done, when it's difficult to move, but it's still moving, you go 1 turn and a half. And don't do it more because you will damage each side like this. It doesn't have to be tighter than this. It's perfect like this, it's all tight, and you're ready to have your filter installed on whatever machine you want to race with. Okay, the last but not least, we have the smallest air filter DNA produced. It's mostly used for cafe racer. It comes on different sizing, male or female. This one is male. In the box we have the registration card for your warranty. You have the cleaning instructions, also same as this. This one sticker, but it's okay. You can order more, you'll have more stickers. So this completes the video on the installation of the filters. Ride safe, guys.